Hi, to hard reset your Xiaomi Redmi 10, we would need to power it off first. For that, press the power and volume up buttons till you see the power off menu appears on the screen. And now we need to swipe to power off. After that, we would need to enter recovery mode. For that, press the power and volume up buttons again, but once you see the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, you need to release the power button. Let me show you. I'm releasing the power button, holding volume up, and simply waiting to enter recovery mode. And yep, here it is. So, to hard reset this phone, we will need to select wipe data, and for that, just use volume down or up buttons to scroll through the menu. And now, to confirm the choice, we will need to press the power button. So notice that this will delete all of your data from your phone and you will need to set it up again. So if you haven't backed up your phone, I suggest you to do it before you enter this recovery mode. Or if you want to just go back, you can use reboot option and here select reboot to system. Now, this method will help you if you forgot your password, for example, and cannot factory reset your phone through the settings. So simply select wipe data and here just select wipe all data and use power button to confirm. Here you need to confirm that this section cannot be undone, and now we are waiting. So your phone will turn off and now we need to go back to the main menu just by pressing the power button, and here you would need to select this option reboot and reboot to system. Then your phone will turn off. Within a couple of seconds it will turn on again and you would need to set it up once more. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.